Well, good morning. It's about 6:45 a.m. Saturday, February 6th. We're in the middle of a big snowstorm. It's still coming down. Our county is under a blizzard warning until 10 o'clock tonight. You can kind of see the Subaru buried there in the van. We have about, I'd say, 2 feet on the ground already. And it's going to snow for the rest of the morning is what they're saying. Well, we're out on the deck now. You can see the depth there on the table and on the railing of the porch. Give you a better sense of the depth. And if I pan up in the light, you can probably see the snow still just coming down. It's a wet snow. Wet and heavy. It's about 28 degrees currently. Okay, it's 11:30 now. And as you can see, the snow is still coming down. It's heavy as ever. I have no idea how much we have at this point. But I can tell you this, it is a lot. There's our mailbox. And there's the holly tree and the Subaru. You can see buried. And the rest of the neighborhood. Still coming down. Okay, it's 11:45, and I thought I'd step outside for a better view. It is just coming down. I don't know if you can see. And you can see how much is piled up against the cars. And I don't know if you can get a good view out the front door here. But there's the edge of the door, and you can see how high it is piled. We have about, I'd say, 2 feet in front, just in front of our door. And I'll pan around the neighborhood there. People are starting to dig out up top of the court, it looks like. Everything is just under a mountain of snow. And it is just coming down. You don't know how much more we're going to get. Like I say, it's getting on towards noon. There goes a family for a walk.
This is the most unbelievable snow we've had all year. Chris has got the yardstick. What's the measurement, Chris?
Okay, it keeps going down. Past 20. 24.
2 feet.
24 inches.
2 feet. And look how deep it is. Look how high it goes up on Uncle Chris. Can you believe it?
It's a lot of snow.
Say that again.
It's a lot of snow.
You can say that again. All right, this is what happens when you wait to the end of the storm to shovel.
You got some room over there for some snow?
No!
Put it all on the road so Jen never has to go back to school.
This is amazing. Chris has snow pants on. See, I can't even do this because I don't have snow pants.
This is the van. Well, here's Aunt Jenny working on the sidewalk.
Tunneling.
Tunneling. And the sky's starting to break up. We're getting a little sunlight, actually. Shoveling 2 feet of snow is a lot. I'm starting to work down the driveway here, but it's slow going.
Look how beautiful it all is, though. We wish you were here to see it with us.
We've got a nice path going here. You can see Jen's down there by the Subaru now.
Hello. Neat.
Very slowly. We're trying to get out to the road so we can take a walk. And it's slow going. And here's the path going back to the house. I wanted to show you the icicles that are on the roof.
It may take more energy than I got to get to that road.
Aunt Jenny's pooping out.
Hey, there's Christopher. And you can see the snowy neighborhood.
Isn't this something?
It is something.
It
Got-
almost comes up to my stomach here on the road.
Yep, got two of the neighborhood boys helping us to shovel the car out. It's Keyshawn and Michael.
Someone has their Christmas lights still on.
Yeah, Christmas lights on, but you can see the sun going down.
Oh, look at the street lamp. You see that?
I don't know if they can get the icicles on it, but it's quite pretty. You can see this is the road. This is parallel path. You can tell we have not been plowed. Here he comes. Go, Chris, go! Yay! Woo! There he goes! Speed-a-light. And there he goes into the road. Fun?
Okay, Aunt Jenny's gonna go down on the neighbor's tube.
Watch out!
Go for it! Woo! Like I said, just touch your hand in the snow, whichever way you want to turn.